Yeah, I was actually gonna go buy new headlights. I've bought several kits. I've tried toothpaste. I tried the toothpaste for an hour and got maybe a $50 size spot. It doesn't work, and now they do.
I'm Drew Bailey. I own a Nissan Altima 2006. I've had it for about 2 years now. Before I owned it, it was my dad's. It was actually a present to me. I've had it for a long time, and I just barely started noticing that at nighttime when I was driving, my lights were really, they seemed really low, and I thought there was something broken with it. But my good friend Trevor pointed out to me that it was actually the lenses on the air and they need to be cleaned, and so I had him clean it for me, and I had a great experience. It was quick and easy, and he explained it all to me so I could do it by myself even, and it turned out great, and I'm very happy with my service.